Right then, let's talk planes, specifically the unsung heroes who keep those metal birds soaring through the sky, because, let me tell you, it's not as simple as a quick polish and a pat on the wing. Aircraft maintenance is serious business. We're talking about passenger safety here, the difference between a smooth flight and, well, let's just say you don't want to think about the alternative. Every nut, every bolt, every rivet on a plane matters. These things are built to withstand incredible forces, but even the toughest materials need a little TLC. That's where the maintenance crews come in, the unsung heroes who keep these engineering marvels in tip-top shape. These aren't your average backyard mechanics. We're talking highly skilled professionals who know every inch of these aircraft like the back of their hands. They spend hours upon hours, sometimes days, poring over manuals, running diagnostics, and meticulously inspecting every single component. And believe me, they find things. Tiny cracks you or I wouldn't notice, wear and tear that could spell trouble down the line. They're like detectives, searching for clues before a problem even arises. Now, a good mechanic doesn't just rely on their eyes, they've got a whole arsenal of high-tech tools at their disposal. Ultrasonic testing to find those hidden flaws deep inside the metal. Eddy current inspections to check for microscopic cracks. It's like something out of a sci-fi film. And then there are the big jobs, the major overhauls. These are like open-heart surgery for airplanes. Engines get stripped down to their bare bones, every part inspected, cleaned, tested, and reassembled with meticulous care. It's a massive undertaking, but these guys and gals take it all in stride. They work tirelessly, often through the night, to get the job done right, because they know that lives depend on their work. But it's not just about brute force and technical know-how. These folks are artists in their own right. They take pride in their work, in the knowledge that they're keeping people safe and connected. And they're always learning, always adapting to new technologies and challenges, because the aviation industry never stands still. Speaking of technology, let's talk about the future of aircraft maintenance. Because things are changing fast, we're talking drones that can inspect entire planes autonomously, algorithms that can predict potential problems before they even occur. It's like something out of Minority Report, but instead of stopping crimes, we're preventing mechanical failures. Data analysis is key here. Sensors on modern aircraft collect mountains of information about every flight engine performance, temperature fluctuations, vibration levels, you name it. All that data gets crunched by powerful computers looking for patterns, anomalies, anything that might indicate a problem brewing. And it's not just about fixing things that are broken, it's about predicting when they might break and taking preventative measures, replacing a part before it fails, optimizing maintenance schedules to minimize downtime. It's all about efficiency, sustainability, and of course, safety. But it's not just about fancy gadgets and algorithms. The future of aviation is also about sustainability. Airlines are under pressure to reduce their environmental impact, and maintenance plays a crucial role in that. We're talking about developing new, eco-friendly cleaning products, finding ways to recycle and reuse old parts, even using biofuels to power ground support equipment. It's a constantly evolving field, and the next generation of mechanics needs to be ready for anything. They'll need to be tech-savvy, adaptable, and passionate about aviation, because the sky's the limit when it comes to the future of flight. So next time you're on a plane, spare a thought for the unseen heroes who make it all possible. The mechanics, the engineers, the technicians who work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us safe and connected. They may not wear capes, but trust me, they're the real superheroes of aviation.